அம்மே யார் ஆரம்பிங்க.
Hey, what is it doing?
People have a very beautiful camera.
Sami, not able to hear you, Sami.
Now you'll be able to hear.
Thank you.
So 360 degree. Now all these 27 nakshatras, 27 nakshatras are, where are they? In the sky. Where is the sky? All around 360 degree it is there. You see sky, is it only in 1/4 of the sky? No. It is pervasive throughout the 360 degree, right? So the sky is divided, is considered to be a circle or a circle, because you see that way only. Earth is a circle, so it's whatever you are seeing, I am looking at around, I see rotate, it is 360 degree. It can have corners in the room. The room can be in the form of a cuboid, triangle, rectangle, whatever it, triangle, whatever it can be. However, the vision is 360 degree. So all these 27 nakshatras exist only in this, within this one circle, which is 360 degree. Now so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when we divide the whole of the 360 degree into 12 equal 12 equal parts, what each degree will be each 5 segment will be how much? 30 degrees, right? So each of these 30 degree makes one Rashi. I already told the 27 nakshatras are there within the circle. So they need to be divided now and put inside of the Rashis. Sorry, within this 12 segments are which are called Rashis. Any questions till now? Ask now. Anybody has? If you do not understand, small children, if you do not understand the degree, what it is, what is 360 degree, what is 30 degree, do not bother about it. Just divide the circle into 12 parts. That much you understand. Okay. So 108 divided by 12, how much? 9. So 108 padas, or in other words, 27 nakshatras multiplied by 4 padas divided by 12. Nakshatra multiplied by 4 pada divided by 12 Rashis is equal to 9. So each Rashi will contain 9 padas of nakshatra. Totally 9. Each Rashi will contain how many padas of nakshatra? Why 9?
Because there are 27 nakshatras and each nakshatra has 4 padas. So it total sum up to 109 and 109 divided between the
Okay, I'm understanding. Put still only from this. The whole of the sky, the whole of the Akasha, sky is divided into 12 parts, Rashis. All the nakshatras exist there only. They need to be divided equally among each segment, which is the Rashi. If each nakshatra has 4 padas, so 27 nakshatras are there. So how many padas are there? 108 padas are there. So when you divide the whole 108 padas within the 12 Rashis, 12 sectors or segments, we get 9 padas inside of, equally dividing 9 padas inside of each Rashi. Is this clear? Now, so I am putting this 1, 2, 3 because where I started, I am putting which are the points 1, 2. I finish this, then we go. I am going to this. Fixed. So let us take one example. What are all the 12? We have Rashis, right? Can I erase this whole of the board as of now?
Yes.
Who said no?
Prasad Swami.
Enama? Solle?
Yes, you can erase, Swami.
Okay. Even if you do not understand this math, this calculation, please note it down. When you read it later, or when if you are not introduced to any of these in the mathematics, when you get to know these basics of mathematics, you will be understanding these. Erase. See, Rashi. Rashi, I didn't say Rashi. Okay.
Amba Swami, one doubt.
Wait, Maharaj. When I asked,
Okay, sir.
So till as of now, we learned 3 things. One is, what are the things that we learned? Astrology, that is Jyotish Shastra is equal to Hora Shastra. Then Pratyaksha Shastra. Okay, next we get what is mean by Graha? Navagraha name. Then what is Nakshatra? Nakshatra number of nakshatra. as per Veda and Jyotish Shastra, right? Now, padas in nakshatra if you make note of this subtitles, then it will be helpful if you want to make it as a syllabus. Padas in nakshatra, then division of the sky into 12 parts is equal to peak. Until then we saw and Rashi fitting nakshatra in Rashi. This much we learned. Okay, I am writing it down because you will be able to, if I tell you will not, you may not be able to cognize it, so that's why I am writing it, putting it. I am erasing it immediately. Okay.
Swami,
Swami, don't rub it.
அவர் வேற ஏதாவது சொன்னாரா?
Okay, I am going to Rashi. Now, what are all the Rashis? We learned the names. We learned the names of the nakshatras. We learned the names of the grahas. Now we are switching to the names of the Rashis. Mesha, Rishabha, Mithuna, Kataka, Simha, Kanya, Tula, Vrishchika, Dhanus, Makara, Kumbha, and Meena. So Mesha, Rishabha, Mithuna, Kataka, Simha, Kanya, Tula, Vrishchika, Dhanus, Makara, Kumbha, Meena. These are the Rashis. Okay. Now we are going to fit in the. I am making it into a table. Okay. We are now going to fit in the nakshatras as we told 9 padas. How we are going to fit? Let us see. Each. What is the first nakshatra? Please refer to your notebook. What is the first nakshatra? Ashwini. Ashwini. How many padas are there? 4 padas are there. 4 padas. Next nakshatra.
Varani,
How many padas are there?
can you lift the camera up?
Next nakshatra. Kritika. 4 plus 4 already 8 are over. There is only 1 pada. Kritika. Then again Kritika's 3 padas are remaining, right? Then Kritika 3, Ashwini, Pranika, Karthik, Rohini 4 padas. Then Mrigashira 2 padas. Again Mrigashira.
Camera is continuously shaking.
என்ன சொல்றான்? என்ன சொல்றான்?
Camera is shaking.
Maharaj, அவன் பேர் என்ன? அதான் ஞான பிரகாஷ் Gangadhar, I request you to mute Maharaj. Ardra Nakshatra contains 4. 2 plus 4, 6. How many more? 3 are there. Punarvusi. Then Punarvasu still has 1, right? Then Pushya 4. Aslesha 4. Right? 9. So 4 plus 4, 4, 4, 8, 9, 3, 4, 7 plus 2, 9, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Similarly, Magha. Next is Magha. Four. Purva Phalguni. Uttara Phalguni. Then again Uttara Phalguni 3. Hasta 4. Chitra 2. Again Chitra 2. Swati 4. Vishakha 30. Anuradha 4. Jyeshtha 4. Dhanu Moola. Next is Moola 4. Purvashadha 4. Uttarashadha 1. Uttarashadha 3. Shravana 4. Dhanishta 2. Dhanishta 2. Tatabhisha 4. Purva Bhadra 6. Then Purva Bhadra 1, Uttara Bhadra 4, Revati 4. Please write it down. Once you have noted down, please.
Nityanand Ambasamy. Ambasamy, Revati Nakshatra, the in Meena Rasi only two padas are coming.
Ingappa.
Nine colors are coming in the
See, you are seeing the board or you are doing by yourself. Whatever it is, you just need to divide. 4, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 4. The same will be repeating thrice.
Okay, so we'll do again and see.
Ambasami. Nityanand Ambasami. Ambasami.
Ambasami, what's the meaning of padas?
मौसम क्या करें Hey, can you repeat your question?
Pada. What is meaning of pada?
What is the meaning of pada? Each nakshatra has a pada, right? What's the meaning of pada?
Each nakshatra, okay. Each nakshatra has how many padas, Maharaj?
Four.
Each nakshatra has 4 padas.
Each nakshatra has 4 padas, right? So
Yes.
one nakshatra is equal to 4 padas. Then one pada is equal to how what?
One pada is equal to what?
So one pada is equal to 1/4 of nakshatra, right? What is 1/4? What is 1/4? A. Tatusta. See.
Water.
Water. So now we understand what is pada.
Oh, okay.
So part of nakshatra.
Okay, I'm erasing it off. Erase pandre. Please make it as a chart and have it unpa.
Paramesha, can you just show the last line?
Hey, repeat that. Pushka Maharaj, can you repeat last line? Last line.
You tell Maharaj, calculate and tell. It is just calculation, division of padas only, na? You tell after finishing.
For oh,
You are studying 12th standard, Maharaj. Hope you are reading at least calculus. You got it, Maharaj, Gangadhara? You got it or not, Gangadhara Maharaj?
got it, Swami.
What did you get? Tell me, please.
For Meena Rasi, Pura Bhadrapada Nakshatra is 1 pada, Uttara Bhadra is 4 padas, and Revati is 4 padas.
Okay. Okay. Now, we put it in this way, right? We put it in the format of circle and divided the circle into 12 parts. Same way, we are going to represent the same in a different manner. Okay. Are you seeing this? Are you able to, at least in Anand Sabha, you are able to see, na?
Yes.
So, how many boxes are here?
12.
Around that.
12.
Around this R. Around this square called R, square or box called R. How many boxes are there?
12.
Okay. So, these 12 will be the Rashis in a representation. Okay. So, this is 360 degree. The 360 degree is divided 12. So, each is 30 degree. So, first, what is first Rashi? What is first Rashi? Mesha Rashi. So, the Mesha Rashi starts here. Then, ಮೇಷ ಋಷಭ ಮಿಥುನ ಕಟಕ ಸಿಂಹ ಕನ್ಯಾ ತುಲಾ ವೃಶ್ಚಿಕ ಧನು ಮಕರ ಕುಂಭ right, are we understanding this much? It will always start with, it will not start from here, it will start from here then go. So the 1, this is 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12. So this is the flow of Rashi. This is the diagram chart of Rashis. Because it is chart of Rashis, this is called Rashi Mandalam. This is called Rashi Mandalam. So we made this circle into this square kind of a thing, right? Now I am bringing back to the square so I can explain to you further more. Yes? Again, this circle is there, taking this circle back. What